Mine was like projectile poop too.
That was so funny.
It's really funny. It like stuck its butt out. And...
Projectile poop?
Well, watch, Payne. Watch.
Wow.
You'll see them.
They're like starting to surround us.
That bird just took a crap too.
Told you. Aren't they funny when they do that?
It was like white, like huge stream of white poo.
Derek, I think this is C.
Yeah, easily.
We have A and B,
Oh, that
and
other bird
now
just
we're
shit.
spawn trapping them on C.
You're very awkward.
Yeah, imagine not having arms. Like,
Yeah. That's so neat.
They're
their
so
little web
cute.
feet seem so big for their little bodies.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, they are
God,
cute.
they're so cute.
They're
No,
cute.
they're
No,
not.
they're not.
They're so funny. and
That is
so
false.
cute.
Well, until you got close, they weren't moving.
Right.
You need help?